Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I just spotted another opportunity to show you how you can be making money every single day if you keep on putting in the hard work, if you keep on checking on your markets every day, your crypto market every day. That is what I'm calling crypto market here is Binance. Keep on going to the market, check up for the price of things. Be current. You one day you will hit the target. There's no day you be consistent. Maybe you check this, you enter into your Binance like 5 times, 10 times in a day that you will not figure out something that will make you profit. So I just came back from where I was. So I wasn't online today. I did not go online, even on Facebook. I was just on my own. Okay, so I just decided to log into my Binance. I check in about 10 minutes ago. I didn't see anything like this. It said that it's profitable now, but I just log in again. I keep refreshing, and now I've seen an opportunity. So if I really want to take this opportunity, at least I will make 1,000, or I will make 800 or 500 naira immediately. Just make money now and go and stop. Now at least it's something. So in this update, I want to show you how you can make money with p2p without posting an ads. This kind of update is unlimitedly, is repeatedly. You can do it as much as you can. Okay, it's not something that you post ads and wait. It's something that you do it immediately. You just need to buy from this guy and sell it. Before I jump into the video, I am crypto 001. What I do in this channel is I bring to you any crypto related terms that will bring money to your pocket or to your wallet, such as crypto arbitrage, that is exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, airdrop, any kind of crypto related terms that is actually profitable. I bring it to your first. You can see it right now as I'm doing it. So if you are interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share my video, please. I love you guys so much. So what you want to do now is to buy from this guy. What you need to do now is to buy from this guy at this rate and go and sell it to see if you are going to make profit. And please mind you, if you are watching this video right now, you can also run to the market quick before other people take the opportunity. Okay, I'm sure there might be people who are actually going to take this opportunity. So I'm just showing you that, or encouraging you that you should always go to the market and check up the market. Okay, what you need to know is to click on buy. Let's see if actually it's going to be profitable. We will click on buy. Okay, let's go back. This guy is actually selling um engine from the limit of 4,000 to 9,000 94,800. So let's just say if we actually bought this, let's say 93,000. Okay, as you can see, as I was talking to you, people have already taken the offer. As you can see, the mass quantity is now 820 naira remaining. But because I was still talking, I really wanted to complete this offer with my own. I would have done this ever since before the person will ever even get to buy the coin. So assuming we bought this coin at this rate, this is what we will have, 93,000 naira. Just assume you were into the market. Luckily to you, you made it first, because actually using this as a tutorial. If to say I wanted to buy it, I would have bought it before any other person. So I'm just saying for the purpose of tutorial. So imagine you enter into market and you bought it at this rate, you receive the same amount, that is 93,000 naira, into your wallet. Let's go to and convert it. We now go back, now go to our trade and convert this. Okay, let's convert this to USDT. 93,000 naira. 93,000 naira will give us 59.3 USDT. So we need to go back to our p2p and sell it on p2p and see if we are going to make profits. What we need to do now is to click on sell, click on filter, turn toggle off this, confirm, What you need to do again is you are going to sell to these people. Just figure out your amount. Okay, let's just click on, let's say 90 93,000. Okay, confirm. Okay, we are going to do this via bank transfer because a lot of people like bank transfer, so that's what I'm going to use now. So this guy is actually buying from the limit of 50,000 to 1 million. So we now click on this first guy. Okay, we now insert our this thing, our USDT 59.3. Okay, you can see with our 93,000 naira we have been able to make 317 naira. Let's go to our calculator and see if we do this like 10 times in a day, because definitely that person is going to post another ad, so you keep timing. So what you need to do now is, let's say 317 naira times 10 times in a day, that is 3,170 naira. Then let's say 3,170 times 30 days, you can see you making whooping sum of 95,100 naira every month if you keep on implementing this strategy. At least in the morning, check it like 5 times, 10 times in the afternoon. Take it, at least you'll be able to see an offer like this, like let me say 5 to 6 times, lowest 5 to 6 times, and you'll be able to execute it immediately. You know, this market is competitive. People are waiting also to see this kind of opportunity. So once you see this kind of opportunity, spot it immediately. So I would draw the course of today. So if you are interested in the kind of updates I give to you guys, please and please like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification button because I will be dropping updates like this. Sometimes I will just enter into the market, do a video immediately and drop it on the platform. The lucky person who sees first might go and get luck. So you don't know when you are going to, or when it's going to come into your direction. So you need to be up, you need to be active, you need to be updated. Okay, at least that 300 naira and 17 naira, at least you can just buy Pepsi and chill, or use it for your recharge card. At least man needs spend small and just enjoy yourself. You can actually buy even data and be, today is Valentine. Okay, you can buy data and watch and make yourself comfortable, be happy, and you understand.